I don't know, it seems like this thing runs oddly slower than what it was before I fixed it. I wonder if I screwed up the rotor when I was taking the motor apart, because I had to lock the motor up, try to take the blades off, because the blades didn't want to come off. But I did manage to get them to come off, I believe. No, I did not. I just worked around it. But I think I screwed the rotor up. Here's the low. I'm supposed to start up quicker than that. Then it just runs about that speed on low. And medium. That's what low is supposed to be. But there's no rattle in it. So, I don't understand. And high. High seems to be about right. And then spin. And it stops quite quick too after I oiled it. Yeah. I'll do a startup on low. Oh, and the tag fell off, so I just put 2.4 amp on it because that's how much it was on the tag. So here's low. Okay, and then wait for a minute. And we'll go start off on medium. Okay, then go medium. Okay, I'll wait another minute. I'll go off on high. And high. And this one has a quieter startup sound than some of my other P-23s I have, which is quite odd. This one's the brother to the P-23W that I have in the bathroom in there. And that one's, I don't know if it's a dying motor or not, but when I had it on high one day, it ran slower as it warmed up. But there was no motor buzz or anything like that. I don't know. Tell me what you think about it. And till next time.